Welcome to this explainer. Let's skip the psychology and dive straight into the science of the inflamed brain.
What if depression isn't just in your head, but a literal fire burning in your immune system?
Enter neuroinflammation. When your brain's immune system fires up, it totally reshapes your mental state and identity. Crazy enough, 40% of depressed patients actually show elevated systemic inflammation markers, like C-reactive protein. Meet the culprits, microglia. They're your brain's resident immune sentinels, constantly patrolling your neural tissue. Under chronic stress, they morph from protective pruners into inflammatory attackers, literally destroying healthy synapses. This triggers 3 biological pathways straight to a depressed brain, suppressing rewards and literally starving your neurons. This immune shift kicks off the great serotonin theft, all thanks to a rogue enzyme called IDO1. During chronic inflammation, IDO1 steals up to 95% of the tryptophan needed to make serotonin. Instead, it churns out toxic metabolites that cause excitotoxic damage right in your brain's memory center.
So you gotta ask, why do standard SSRI antidepressants completely fail these specific inflamed patients?
Well, you simply can't block the reuptake of serotonin that was never even made in the first place. Enter our biological reset, psilocybin. It acts as the ultimate antidote by binding to specific serotonin receptors. Crucially, psilocybin literally flips those rogue microglia from a damaging pro-inflammatory state back to an anti-inflammatory one. Animal models actually show a stunning 30% drop in activated microglial density after psilocybin use. It suppresses those inflammatory cytokines and boosts growth factors, opening a massive window for therapeutic relearning. But your brain isn't isolated. Surprisingly, your gut microbiome actually produces 90% of your serotonin. Gut dysbiosis triggers systemic inflammation that breaches the brain, so your whole body's ecology totally matters. Lasting relief means using a holistic ecosystem protocol to continuously dial down those brain inflammatory signals. Things like slow, coherence breathing and brief cold exposure act as massive natural anti-inflammatory triggers. Pair that with deep, slow-wave sleep and ditching ultra-processed foods to flush out toxic neural debris. Ultimately, true recovery requires way more than just psychological insight. It absolutely demands complete biological restoration. Knowing your brain can extinguish its own fire, how will you reset your biological ecosystem today?